Russ here, RVerTV. Okay, we're going to continue on from yesterday's video. We're at the NAB Show 2019. Yay! Up here on the second floor of the South Hall. We're going to head on down. Let's go down to Central Hall. This convention center is massive by any scale, any imaginations. I mean, you can walk miles in this place and still never see it all. Be sure to watch yesterday's video. That was the South Halls here, both levels. Today we're going to go look at camera gear. That's all the Central Hall. They kind of segregate all these out. Okay, let's go on in. Check her out.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Okay, NAB. They got maps all over the place. Pretty cool graphic on the floor. We're in that blue area, Central Hall. Okay, off we go. The winds are screaming outside. 50, 60 miles an hour. Unreal. Okay. This is me in 100 years. RVerTV. Yep. How about that? They're promoting cameras for bones. Camera-related injuries. There's an eye catcher, huh? We'll call him Slim. That. Too funny. Good display, eye catcher. Okay, let's keep on trucking. They got every kind of lighting, mount, everything. A lot of this is for filmmaking, television production, all over the world. You got countries, people represented. Look at all the gimbals. Look at all those things. Just anything and everything. All the software guys were up in the South Hall. There's a drone. Not too many drones like it was at CES. Didn't see too many. We got booms there to hold your microphones. Just every gadget you can think of. There's another portable live broadcaster. You connect your cameras right to those. Look at this bicycle thing. It's got all different mounts. Look at that, you ride it around. Booms for cameras, everything. Isn't that something? On a bicycle. All the lighting, my goodness. I don't have to worry about lighting in here. Look how clear those monitors, display screens are. Cameras. All kinds of storage. Hard drives. Look at them cases, those would be nice. Especially if you're traveling. That'd be good for the RV. Another live streamer.
Couldn't get an earlier flight, but it's alright.
Check it out. Look at that green screen. My goodness. Of course, look at the lighting they have on it. See, I tried green screen, but the lighting is a trick. The guy's holding like a laser. Look at the images against the green screen. Huh. They all got their white coats on. Pretty cool, huh? Stuff like that are for like movies where they use a lot of animation, that kind of thing. Weather, a lot of weather people. Hey, there's Adorama Camera. I bought a lot of gear from them guys. They're huge, nationwide. There's a look down at the level. Oh, head down there. Nice setup. Adorama, they're huge. They do a lot on YouTube. Them and B&H Photo, if you ever need how-tos on cameras, gear, they got thousands of videos out. Look at this. There you go. Look at the drone, man. And look at this camera mounted on this sports car. I want one. Look at that thing. Keep the car, I'd put on a van. There's a true meeting of a dash cam. Wow. Wonder what that costs. More than I got. More lighting. I mean, this goes on and on. Anything and everything for camera gear, filmmaking, videos, movies, everything. Television production. More remote TV vehicles. Look at their van. I still like that white one up on the other south hall. That's all for TV, broadcast, satellite. A lot of private companies, they buy those things and they make a lot of money. But you can tie up $500,000 one of these things, easy. Okay, here's what I want for Christmas. Look at that camera. My goodness. Look at that thing. You know, you could buy a house for what one of these costs. Just the lens on them. Cameras like that are in the hundreds of thousands. Look at all the people. You don't think camera gear is popular? Look at them all. What a zoo.
Want people to move forward.
We're talking about drone footage. Oh wow, look at this car. Hang on, let me get to it. Look at that setup. I'm guessing, oh, I have no clue how much. A ton of money, but look at that thing, isn't that cool? That's how they get all them action shots in movies. There are cameras everywhere. Look at them. They're filming everything, live streaming. Imagine the amount of internet bandwidth being used here this week. Here's just the basic vans. Got Dodge. I wouldn't mind having one. That'd be a beautiful rig to build out. Boy, compared to that old Ford I got. Yeah, only half a car. Look at all the mounts. Mount anything everywhere. Boy, you really got to trust to mount it for a camera that expensive. Wow. Well, I'm kind of at the back of it. I'm going to meander my way out of here. Head up towards the front. I'm about done.
No, it's, you know, that's...
Look at all the room. What a clean slate. You could really build that thing out. Insulate it. Turn that into one nice traveling camper van. Wow. Well, maybe someday. Audio Technica, I have a few of their microphones. They make good mics, reasonable price. These are for the regular Joe here, podcasting for that setup. And one's for your computer, all different kinds. Good mic. Really good prices on them too. JVC cameras. I got an invite from them too. I had 3 invites to come to this thing. This was JVC was the 3rd one. Panasonic. All the big boys are here. Canon, Panasonic, Sony, Nikon, all of them. They got massive areas. Every camera you could ever think of. Okay, we'll head on out of here. Little food court. Oh yeah, look, PTZ Optics. I belong to their Facebook group. It's called Streaming Geeks or something like that. These are real high-end cameras. You can use them as a webcam, conferencing, point, tilt, zoom. That's what PTZ is. Hey, there's the owner, Paul Richards. He does a ton of live streaming. Looks like they're doing a show right now. Yep, live interviews daily. I'd love to have one of their cameras. Great setup, great company. Oh, I am getting wore out, a ton of walking. Podbean, podcast hosting. I thought about doing a podcast. What do you guys think? That way you could listen to RVerTV on the radio. Or on iTunes, I guess. There's some robots. Camera-mounted robots. Artificial intelligence, AI. Those are cool. They're very, extremely technical. Everything here is technical. Well, we're kind of back at the end of it. Maggie light. Mount on your cameras. That'd be good to have. I have a small light I rarely use it. Let's go look out the window. Look at the trees. The winds are screaming out there today. I mean, it's blue sky, but boy, those winds. Yeah. We'll run outside, I'll show you. I hope you enjoyed the look at the NAB show. I'm going to go back. There's a few people I want to talk to. I'm going to attend a couple seminars. That's what I came up here for. I'm heading back Wednesday morning on the court site. Look at that guy. I like him. Slim with the camera. Guess what my thumbnail's going to be for the video. Too funny. Let's go outside real quick. I'll show you what it's like. I think it'll be pretty. Let's go. Check it out. I hope you can hear me. Look at the wind. Oh man, hang on to everything. It is smoking windy. This is the outside. This is the main staging area for all the halls, convention halls. All the taxis and everything come in here. Whew! Wow. Okay, this is enough. My eyes are watering. Oh my goodness. I got the sinuses going. Woo, boy, that was windy. Alright, well, I'm going to go back up to the South Hall. I got about 40 minutes. There's going to be another seminar going. I'm going to attend. I'll do another recap video of everything here. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon from Las Vegas. Take care, all.